Alright, what's going on, beautiful people? It's Andrew from ACanatomy.com. Welcome to the channel where we mainly focus on human and animal anatomy digital sculpting in ZBrush and Blender. So without further ado, we have released most of our project files. So if you have been watching our free tutorials, how to sculpt anatomy in ZBrush or Blender, we have been sharing most of our project files, so now you can download project files for free. So you can jump onto ACanatomy.com or click on the links in the description, and then it will take you over here to join us. So you just enter your email. We'll promise not to spam you, and then after you've subscribed over here, and then we'll send you updates if there's a new special update like that. If we have updated everything, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you'll get our free asset over here. So you'll find all our courses also, and then so like the project files over there, and all the other free tutorial project files that we have ever done. You can see like our latest, and we'll keep on updating these as we go along. So then we'll keep on adding more to this over here, and then this is for personal use only. And then you can probably check out all like most of our free models also, and our free 3D viewer, free courses, and our other free stuff.